In this tutorial, we're going to look at Photoshop's neural filter called Smart Portrait. This is an example of machine-based learning where Photoshop has analyzed hundreds and hundreds and probably billions of images to be able to calculate algorithms that will change an image to reflect what they have recognized as a pattern. So what does this mean? This means that there are a number of filters here, and I'm just going to dive in. So my workspace is set at Essentials. So up here, Window, Workplace, it's Essentials. So what you need is, whether you use this image or another image, your image has to be set for the color mode of RGB. This filter will not work unless your image is set to RGB. Now let's wake up this neural filter option by going to Neural Filters. And this dialog box opens up here. And over here, you have to toggle this setting on. So now that we toggle it on, I'm sorry, it's Smart Portrait. Toggle that off. I'm sorry, Smart Portrait. So look at all the options we have now. We can explore creating more happiness in the expression, surprise, anger, facial age. I'm only going to do a few of these, but because I do want to show you, now we'll start with neutral, which means it's done nothing to the image. If I were to throw this all over here, all the way to super happy, a plus 50 happy, this is a cloud-based filter and it's going to take a little time for it to do its work. So we're going to have to sit here for a few seconds and then you will see what this does. And it has taken, this is an example of machine-based learning where it's calculated that based on the shape of the lips as they were in the original setting, that this would be the result of this individual in an extra happy state. So let's undo that. We have another one here that's sort of interesting. You can click on facial age and we can see what this woman would look like. Let's take her all the way to the plus 50 age. And this is just fascinating. This is, you could really go down the rabbit hole here and play around with it. So whether you use this image or another image, explore changing the image's expression, age, any of these. And I look forward to seeing your work.